Okay, I'm going to be brewing some beer today, and I'm going to be doing a test on a new thermometer. What I used in the past was this Taylor thermometer. These you can get just about everywhere. It's a candy thermometer mostly. It's used for cooking. And I also had this I bought at a thrift store. It's a meat thermometer, short one. It's a Sunbeam. This is kind of a fast acting one. You could just put into wort, check the temperature when you're doing your mash. So these two read quite a bit off from each other. Like this one right now is reading maybe 65 degrees or so. I think that middle mark there is 75. And then this one's reading 80, which it's about 76 degrees in here right now. So I decided to get a better thermometer. Did some shopping on Amazon and came up with this one. It's a calibrated Kessler thermometer. It has an accuracy rating. Here's the calibration results, and it's going to be more accurate than your typical thermometer. Here's the how much it should be off by like 1/10 of a degree centigrade at most. Or here it says uncertainty centigrade plus minus 3/100ths of a degree in centigrade. And then it has a high scale. It goes up to 626. It's a digital thermometer. So I thought, I was going to spend $30 or $40 on a thermometer. I figured I'd get one that's going to be more accurate than most, because your mash temperature is pretty important at converting your sugars. If you don't get your mash temperature right, you may not convert all your sugars, or you may convert them to unfermentable sugars. So this is a digital. I haven't used it yet. It's a longer one. It's probably over 1 foot long. Comes with a little protector. Looks like it uses a coin cell. But I'm going to try it out today, and then I'm going to do a comparison with these others. And we'll see how accurate these actually are. I figured this would be good. It's nice and long. I can reach down in there into the wort. And it comes with some directions here. Let's look at this real quick. It's got how to turn it on and off. You can change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It's got the different, you can get in different lengths. I think I got the 150 or 300 millimeters. I'm not sure how long that is, but this is pretty close to a little over 1 foot long, I'd say. That one there. I'd have to do the conversion. Shows you how to replace the battery, how to calibration procedure. It says this has already been calibrated from the factory, so you don't need to calibrate it. But it has that capability. You could recalibrate it with ice and boiling water. Okay. And it comes with this clothespin. So they're saying if you keep this in a boiling pot, that you should put the clothespin on there to protect it from the heat so you don't melt the casing. Which I'm just going to be doing, I'm just going to dip it into the wort to check the temperature. I'm not going to leave it in there permanently. So that's it, guys. We're going to do a little test when I get this boil going, and we'll try it against these other thermometers, and we'll see how it goes. See how far they're off. Okay, guys, getting ready to start my mash boil. Here, my strike water temperature is 165 degrees. So what I'm going to get this water boiling. I've got 3 different thermometers. I'm going to test them out. This is that calibrated thermometer. We're going to see how accurate these two are compared to the calibrated one. So I'll get this fired up, get this burner going here. Okay, I've got my water heated up a little bit, so we're going to try these 3 thermometers out, and we're going to see how close they are to each other. So, first one up, we're going to try this Taylor candy thermometer. May take a while to come up to heat. We're going to put this one in right next to it. This is the more expensive digital thermometer. Okay, well, if we can see that, the digital is reading 121.1 and the Taylor thermometer is, let's see, to figure it out, it's about 124. So there's about 3 degrees difference between these two. Next, we're going to compare that new thermometer to Sunbeam. Okay, put these both in. This one, Sunbeam, is really short, so I'll have to see if I can hold it. That. The new digital is still at 121. It's 121.4, and the Sunbeam is pretty dang close. It's about 122-ish, and so is the digital right now, actually. Let's see if I can zoom in on those. They're both about 122-ish range. So the Sunbeam is really quite accurate. That's pretty good. Good to know.